Half pigeon pose. From downward facing dog, exhale, bend the left knee and place the knee behind your left wrist. Lower your hips down, extend the right leg behind you, top of the foot is on the mat and the right hip rotating down towards the mat. Take the back in a slight back bend, bringing the chest out and the shoulders back. Breathe here and imagine you can breathe directly into your hips. Release more with each exhalation. Feel the stretch at the deep lower end of the back, hips, and inner left thigh. The palms can be placed on the floor beside your hips, or if comfortable, place them behind you and take the back bend deeper. Stay here for 5 breaths, and with every exhalation, go deeper with the stretch at the inner thighs and with the chest and the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To come out of the pose, shift the weight forward into your hands. Tuck your back toes under, lift your hips up to the sky, left leg lifts up. Exhale, slowly lower the left leg down and come back into downward facing dog. Repeat on the other side.